Okay, so these ones have only 2 terms, but they're special ones. This is a special polynomial. He has a special name, and so does this guy. And I want to show you guys in a second. So what they're missing is they're missing this middle term right here. And so you could put a 0x right there. But let's set up a box really quick and just think about it out loud. All right, we know that the first term is x squared. We know the last term is negative 16. Okay, so if that's x squared and negative 16, what would I have to multiply to get those? Now, this one's special, so I'll remind you guys, what is a perfect square? What times what gives me x squared? Well, that one's kind of simple right here. But what times what gives me positive 16? 4 and 4. Oops. Right here. Now, it's not a positive 16. It's a negative 16. So that means I have to make one of these negative. And it doesn't matter which one you make negative. But look what happens when you have a positive 4 and a negative 4. When you multiply this guy out, you get negative 4x and 4x. Use it at table 6 or table 5. Okay, and then look what happens. What is negative 4x and positive 4x when you add those together? What is that? It's 0. Negative 4 and positive 4 is 0. So that's why you get only x squared minus 16. And our answer is x plus 4 and x minus 4. We box those up. We're done with that guy. Now this other one's the same. It's the same type of polynomial as that one because that's a perfect square and that's a perfect square. So let's make a box for this one. Actually, I'll make it different. Put this guy down like that. Okay. I'm going to put x squared first. I'm sorry, not x squared. I'm going to put 4x squared first and then put my 49 right here. That's a negative 49. Okay, so this is a perfect square. These are PS. What 2 numbers that are the same, pretty much the same, that I can multiply to get that? That would be 2x times 2x. 2x times 2x gives me 4x squared. Now the 49 is also a perfect square, so I'm going to put a 7 and a 7 here, but one of them has to be negative so that we get a negative 49. I'm going to make that one negative. Okay, so now let's test it out. Negative 7 times 2x, that would be a negative 14x. And then positive 7 times 2x, that would be a 14x. And you can see that both of these are the same but opposite. So they do cancel each other out to give me this 0x right here. All right, so we got our answers. We have 2x minus 7, 2x plus 7.